Hi guys, in today's video we are going to make these healthy baked pakoras. These are not only guilt-free snacks but also you can consume them in your breakfast because they are made with chickpea flours or gram flour, which are very high in protein, and that's why it will keep you full for a longer time. And also the veggies takes care of your fiber intakes. By now you know I like to experiment with foods to make them more healthier and tastier, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any future updates. Now coming to the recipe, I am taking here 1 cup of mixed vegetables. I have taken chopped capsicum, carrots, green peas, red bell pepper and some sweet corns. You can take any veggies of your wish. In another bowl, take around 6 teaspoons of gram flour. To that mix half teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and which will be followed by 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and coriander powder each. Now here I would like to mention that I like my food really spicy. Not that it only increases your metabolism, but also it's according to my taste. So this red chili powder in this recipe is totally optional. You can spice it up or down according to your taste. Now I like some crunches in my pakoras, so I'm going to add some cumin seeds to it. So add around 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed. Then crush some chili flakes into it. As I already said, I like it really spicy. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of dried parsley to it. You can use oregano or any dry herb available at your hand. And then give everything a very quick mix. You can use a beater, but I don't have one at this moment, so I am using fork. Then add around half teaspoon of baking powder and make sure there are no lumps. Then slowly add some warm water to it. Don't put all this water at once because we don't want very watery consistency. We want the perfect consistency for our pakoras. Then add around 1 teaspoon of olive oil because we are not going to fry the pakoras, so it's important that we add this oil here in the batter itself. Give everything a quick mix, and the consistency should be like this, not too runny, not too hard. Add all your veggies into this, give everything a quick mix, and our batter is ready then. Now brush some olive oil in your muffin tray. And in each compartment put around 1 teaspoon of this mixture. Now I am preparing like 4 pakoras today, and you can really keep the ingredients up or down according to your measurements. Now how many pakoras you want to make depends on that. Here I want to mention that you can use any kind of baking bowl available at your hand which has a flat surface, because we want the pakoras to be really nice looking. Now baked for around 20 to 25 minutes in a preheated oven for 200 degrees centigrade. And if you are using a microwave, bake for 180 degrees centigrade for 25 to 30 minutes in micro plus convection mode. And that's it guys, in less than 30 minutes your yummy pakoras are ready, which are not only delicious but also take care of your health. And then just spread some homemade chili sauce or tomato sauce or whatever you want, and enjoy with a cup of black coffee. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.